bra Afiba yenko yene
Omo meda say for everyone mu nyina akwa aba bio asanso aba anopay morning mix Jumedia Coastal TV ya hyehyɛ no fefefe strong kokutu ye ba besane mu amamo nso mahu ne ekɔ ene ne eba nyina anopay yen hye ase ne yemfa aseda kese ema National Petroleum Authority omone diesel gift shop even so de aseda ama Solace Bar and Restaurant ene Lady B Food Avenue ebeda mu nyina mase say anopay so ya say ameti me the morning mix Jumedia no ya de bre ahwefo mo hwe baby a mamenka o say channel no digital channel 514 Facebook and YouTube nyina so obomode na okọ Facebook ni YouTube na o type Coastal TV Cape Coastal ubenyaye na bibia ya wo ma obia ni pa bia ya wo ma obia nso wenya o chefan ewo mu anopai kase abono na poso ebi ene se mfifi mantem ha Ghana Journalists Association meche nsentwafo nkabom ko a ewo mfifi mantem ha se abomodin etu anamon bi se efiade edi ani me na mpa ochina ombeye yenhyehyia na yenunum bi na yenyina yehu yeho get together a yato ni din se press and chill. Yerenso abem to anamo na yakọ abra na sese ameno kasei mpemfo na nanom ewo ho ache abrampunto hene foforo kra oba be hwese mpuntuo ebekoso ewo abra adofo nsemi bi kan we ho na nopei yede eba besumo se na medi nkan aka no medi no eye Afiba Essien afeji emre na tie kase obono ne enchiremu. Mfifi mantem ha say Michelle Central Regional GJA Ghana Journalists Association nsentwe for nkabom kwa ewo mfifi mantem ha say enra da omobepie mu ewo fia say ebra na OMAR hosti Central Mr. Wonfancha hosti editorial forum na president a odi GJ ano anase chairman ema mfifi mantem say nkrabata GJ nkrabata no ni din Kingsley Nana Bwedu ocheche mu say ye hyehyia get together na o mahyehyɛ nyampa echi na eba beba so ewo pensions house say wo call radio central eho na ewo na ne botaye daso nyina ne say ebeboa ma obia nsentwefo nyina no ehu omoho oka bebre eka we hu na yenkɔ ne enkotie ne okan
send away the can almost say press and chills and then a be our meditation now bibia about team or president or what chile day na can only a media almost say press or being invited was me even since I call more press. So the difference between the press and the media is that when in some show human idea start na ye de wuba krata no achocho GNA sa time sa na ya achocho for no and intina radio na ade no and those achocho no buy answer na radio na ade ne ba intina it is known as press we are saying achocho na start answer na that is the press but media no radio for na ade be ka ho no they will become media. So even till now amount for media conference in Pena in some TV for radio for newspaper for online for Nina as a kind of press conference. But the actual is supposed to be media conference. But what kind of press conference are still from here because initially that was the what it is. It's press and chills, I quite say in some trophy. So basically in some trophy I walk Chile and the team what they team team of almost share my media was what was a press and chair I was a president actually. But of course the meaning and understanding is there. But the actual program a media convention. A media convention now in some trophy I is Central Region hey na omoka soa Winnie Basuedu Esikuma Obaso Hasua Asinfo Suchifo Praso Hemai Dencha Dun Kwawofen Apa Dencha Eastern Way those areas nina no you expect to say when Obaba Abakansa ewo Cape Coast Yame Aduma Fiada Ebe which is 27th of February which is Fide 2 o'clock our pension house na nyaye pese ye pese ye chei na say embraso say yenga ye die ndwuma e wo kro kra temo radio so na ye frɛ ye ho nsɛm kyerɛfo ana media people no say ye na ye tumi aka ye ho bom ye share especially yenga ye wo mfimfiri mantem ha na ye hu ye ho ye die ho komo na ne wo say ye so say bia ye de begu akwemu ama yen ya ye ho ye welfare some ne ne keka ho ina into of course the Ghana Journalists Association ne nkrobata wo mfimfimantem ka ne GJ that's the regional chapter yen na ESP head this particular way because I think about now some of this thing you to my dada and said am ba so you took kwan ko asimfo su a ne yekohia yenu anom ne wo ho ye hu mo yenim ye ho but just a walk over and sign one so just about could be back to me the dear hunkomo okodun ko fina yemu bia yetumi ekokọ those side no na ehihia won but ebe fe say na be baba kan bom ye be hu yen ho ye de botai bi be sie ni so say ye be ye na ye be baba kan ku no ho wo kan ku na ye Ghana Journalists Association na ye eku ba tan ma nsemtrofo ni ye ina ebi wo ha ni bia fe ne giba Ghana Independent Broadcasters Association wo Primpack wo mu na wo ni na ye private once wo mu ho ba wo mu na no ye kan wo mu na no won kunin ana won penin pan ne the Ghana Journalists Association. Most of them no they are still members of the Ghana Journalists Association because Ghana Journalists Association and aqua statutory constitution kwampo recognize the Ghana Journalists Association. So we see that democracy is allowed say obia to me or tell ho ye no group or to me na dey to ye bia fine but ni nan kanfo no DJ ene ne ye ku batanga wo mu na wo hye nti na say ye de tree ho so na make sure say ye nuanom ngo ho bebi wo fifi na wo na oba beka ho na ye be ye baako na ya pebutai bi Essien so welfare nsema ewo mu comedian ni mu welfare nsem bebe na emia be training bi na dia wo say ye ma ye ho awards bi ye fa bibi Essien so say ye be ye kan sem twofo a ye mu ye dupa so ye ntumi nko individually say ye kan ye hu bom say ye take certain initiative and ye bibi a me feel say e beba so ene so nti na association there wo ho say ye boabo ye ho ye ho say ye bo members no ye bo won ho ban ye ho say ye hwese members no wo be konkan ye ho say nyema be koyie again given the nature of young association no we are the voice of the voiceless. Wokasama nipa, you are serving society, you are serving community. And then potepan ya boy young community. Apart from say ye kasa ye ba radios ye di ejuma kama say ye dina. Ye say ye tumi ma manfo no mu feel yen so ye tumi set some agenda. And that's agenda setting. Ye the BBC and say Afiba ko wie na kan semtrofo ye tumi ye pushi jumedi bi ma junebi esie wo Cape Coast. Yetumi nyame bi enkoye welmi na ya ye de ania tum ya kan ye ho abom ye and yes say politicians bi na wo be ye program bi wa fa ye ansa na ya akokova ba yen yara ye the BBC ni say Commander Sugar Factory na esi hoi de bia wa kan wasam na politicians wo yi ba na so nyo kan yi ba no kan it is wo yi ba kan ye ja na de wo yi so ba no ba condemn yen yara nkasa de yen koye yen research yen kan bom yen ma ne yen kire won ye pese wo mo ye Commander Sugar Factory ma yen problem e wo ho yen yan enye to find your politics bim because it is coming from a group of people one more hear the voice of the people here serving in Kofono. These are some of the things we need to be thinking about. We should not just be about we organize press or we invite you near some behavior be na de near baby now say ye na yekabom but what the young to a young a very important and very dynamic it is a lawyer for wonku it is a professor Banfreje souvenirs and surveyors ne wonku it is a Ghana Medical Association you but share when we see when conduct here who now they compare who says with them but of course and yen from Subebe yen so yen ku na unique yen professional yen factory and so no unique it's here to me and compare one more kwan be so because yen so it comes with its own whatever. We are pivot, we are one of the arms of democracy and you know democracy they can freedoms na dey bi wo and na my yen unique yen to me friend to two or papa to say on a square but yen different from one day but you know we should be on the same pedigree but if you say you the same pedigree yen na say to two and ye yen na manfu society na ye serve woman no aban no wan okeke ka wona ho okay some twofo na ye in some twofo an kan no ne enim ne bi ni o sisi ano sesun bi ga abem ye take initiative ye bibi na wo mehu yen say yes amambu na ye bu no yen so ye kan yen ne na mo ho akeke Nimbom yen ya asumpo no ye wo botai bi sie nim so a ye push agenda no ye de aboa gwaiman ne fifeman tamu ina.
Kingsley Nana Bwedu ena oye chairman Emma mfimfi mantem ha nsantwe for nkabonko eye GJA Ghana Journalists Association wo sanso echemu ekwan a so obi pe anasa obi wo pe no se oba be join ana oba be dom ekuo GJA na ekwan nipa kro be faso na oba be dom sa ekuo no na osanso echemu efa no AI a abaya sese obi a edi ye adwuma ise AI de ankanya de bone na emom no eye se nsantwe for ede ahweyi ebeto ho na nkwankwa ye bibia ye ni eda so anase ye de ewe nyina ebehim se eno na enye adwuma no emfama ye ne ba ne sade a na ankoboa
was said amanfo be members before. You can't just be outside and just be there, even though we see all of them as members because time, but officially you need to regularize yourself, be part of it, pick form and whatever. Saying that the Ochina feeder may there, and then found say you're actual member, now you're actual member. We see all of you as members. Come, let's Jojo, let's see how best if we will put type into now some point one person over journey and now join. Let's raise those matters and let's discuss them. But what is important is that we want all of them. Those who qualify. And yes, sir, Obia so keke, man amount for a misconception, Mr. Anez, what should be a baby, a criteria, but yes, you say, one woman who ye, you must see, I don't na be qualify, say, will be a members. Into about form, no, how I'll pick a form, no, now we go through, you will know, say, you belong there, or no, you don't belong there. But like we are saying, we know ourselves and we know people that will be coming. Most of them probably will be qualified. So after the program, then you take a decision. Do you want to be part of it? If you don't want to be part of it, a freedom of association, so there's no any qualms with anybody. You can still be working as journalists without being part of the Ghana Journalists Association. That let's make that one fair and clear. But the what kind of also any in the new idea wo join a cool bisa obenyano ene ho asem na yeka obenya say trainings be ba opportunities be ba you are difficult no so then you are selecting for one co training wa ha yen ya asumpo no ya so city bibi ni yen bibi ya afa yim difu be professor doctors be within the media space communication space one me cheche nyama be this time I say AI aba people are taking advantage of it ni amanfo ya na say oh yeah na ato ho baby na dey plagiarism na dey na wom yen du ni mpempenso bi amanfo ya na ni he ya but oh ye no wan ye ni kwa ho nsam ho again obi odi ade mu obi na say na me ma ayi na ya mam na ya obi abehu ya you want certain eyes wo dey ade ma wala okeka guwe ya ni ma na sound to ba aba ni but e wo kwan bi sumpa yes and wo betuma cheche wo bedandan na bon say obi mpo you will see your human face, your human mind in that particular thing. So me one AI boy. These are all techniques. AI ne ye boy, but I say yen hu nim de kakana e boy ye se na be ya en ye bibia so na be ye. So these are some of the trainings, even awards. In the obi akana awards because station be was asking me like na obi something me dey award that. Na be say ono nipa ne award that. Na so inside but now ye ne nyama ye obi ye bi. Na ne etine say ye story bia na win award. We have a way we write a story and get award. He said you don't do he said bia na minister invite and the minister said this, he said this, those stories don't win award. A specialization, you need to specialize, you need to have a particular focus. Maybe environmental journalist, you are climate change journalist, you are fisheries journalist, you are agricultural journalist, you are this. When you chart that call, and just want to make other things, who to make other things, but then who focus no into a assignment our small. One can say to me say maybe you are going to investigate, you are going to do research, you are going to talk to people, and we have a way we do that. No, I send story. Those stories, will impact different from the minister has said this, minister has said it, minister has said it, and minister has said and but that's notwithstanding, you need to have that focus. Say agree into any serious matter. From one could in common out doing issues near Babontain, and was I new, I fresh, or be I knew be one hour the Abba T1, but I have a way we are in effect. It is a Ebba say, a judge, in some trough, one more shop in my Quafo, in my impact, made him put to by Quafona sitting in Essien, in Yamebu, Quajumim, and I be a Utum Sabos, I would not demufwa. Those are the areas that we need to train ourselves now opportunity to be by school being a deal woman say by na so what I will try so by your there no near bomb opportunity to banner association no those a kwanja bisa e wo ho to me ba that all your member as for those ones to me nka ho bi wo your member ye be share ye be din komo say ya wo hia bb advice bi ba ha ye de be ma but those opportunities in ba me nja member ho na me fa ma wo and
beyond whatever non-member why you to that association
non-member
yeah
na member wo ye bibi association na adan na wo be kan
yes ebiso I'm gonna comment where you yolo be with this guy that ajijini but urban
no so DJ matter may be different from maybe if we have friends no DJ we have welfare we have our own thing in again you be simple na DJ any platform no we still have media platform I belong to so many media platforms and he said who was some media platform be na me ka ho na ye bibi ama wa area different and me ka ho that's when me amount say media na
people say you are the leader and what is going on
that is why so be other count because now people pay dues people pay this it is it's not just about obi ni mama when I yanko that one we will do that will may be voluntary but say association there na constitution it says some percentage and no esinigina say yen firma it is ye association there ni mpo na say esua na say yen voluntary contribution kan na ya aka ho amount and then because you see because ni padodo na nkasa wonka kuru no ho na ye nuanom na ye adamfofo ye hu ye ho saa ni na edu ho no ma say voluntary ye bibi na ya mo ba so be ka ho a ye hye na ade ye ne wo ho ye wie na say na o say ni padodo ade ye ade a say enkwan so na ye obi ewu nko a there are so many opportunities there in Tijo so young association company unique. You need not to go to university and sign a join association. Who university, with our first degree, a plus. And then they will be an say, well, practice even point journalism, put our ye. Not say be aware of particular field, but who were interested, who you're interested, well, journalism. Now, I practice maybe 1 year, 2 years, you can become a member. Say, be him say, okay, or be a school, even or environmental something, or grade something, but no in some children or put that they or we who know how you can attest to it. So that 1 year, 2 years, you qualify to be a member or pick it from those criteria in our so what I call journalism school, maybe even with the diploma. Now, where you maybe 2 years, you are a member. So even one core school could even say secondary school, many of them are there like that. But for you, you should have worked for about 6 years or so and more. Where you training, do war, maybe only could start TV, and even though we share down called journalism school, no, but on the job training, you've passed through the process where you are for about 6-7 years. Why you 6 years? Why you only could start to be in himself with the audience? There will be no one power. If you want to those days, Comrade Dumonum Nadina, and most of them they were not true in and out, maybe GJA product. Some of us now young there, you hear your famous, but there were many people who were doing well. They were not even true GIJ product, but of course they went to their own school with their degrees and all of that. Then, because of interest, they came to join the journalism thing. What they were doing, even we have more practicing idea, and I did better and they want that. So that is anything man. I just a first book until such a time we were discussing licensure, whatever. You need to have a license today. But you do into me for honey yenya. The existing procedure no, and then a year share home. Yeah, I ye. Until you how the back one na wafab. Do some now worker. Say me dear no yet me say mejuma what if my me sika and you sika
listen to you easier than you could
until go to me mo say Coastal TV for some more agree say more your members more pick from na more qualify na more ya you can just subscribe you can your employer obetumi decide say okay mo dues no say bia mo allowances bia wo ho no nka say dey ba ye di bi betu amamo ti won wa na bosu afibia na ma mo scan wo dey tu amamo Odiama companies to make say okay ye hwe ne ayede mamu ye nhye dan ye bianto o ne ya ye be fa to mo ye ho so ye betu amamo eye wo sika nti ene obi ni company tu amano wala so tu ye wa sika no wo tu amamo nti ene de kwan won pa ko fa so tu ano no ende dem fo obi aho say wala nkasa so na obe ye no monthly a ene so ye wa ene na sometimes like you are saying e bia na ye den kaka but untumi ni sana you should have a way say woman till source you can make that arrangement with Accra with the they can just do that one for you. So that is it about the all of that.
Na nsentwe dwuma ye dwuma ba ko bia anka eni se ba no amanyosem a nsentwe ni bia de no ho forifori mu anase se obi a ehye party bia achi na odidi ni dwuma na nso na nsen wo behwe no na nsentwefo bi ehye party bia achi na chese omo edi dwuma anka ense se eba ni sa no eno na chairman a chirechire mu ekwan ya nsentwe ni bia befa so aye na dwuma se eba no amanyosem a.
And if you say depend on also nyawo ye udichi o ma politician ne kwan on obey you o ma politician ne kwan o ma na ye to say oh yeah, and most of the time no be can say I say survivor they say na ye kan say wa fa obi ejuma media na untua ne kaye ya then how does it survive and a pass or be ejuma obepon be you look at how tedious it is teni na aka ho na bon say program be will be invited to campus so because of the neighbor be school fees and on one put in be say na girlfriend no say na wife ni wo be di cry dey no me so program ne dey anye ya be kakra bi ni na account people are forced to do things they are not supposed to do but ni na nechi na say oh media house no ana adwumawura na afa nsemchoni no say wo tua ne kaye ana ne aketua say at least we make sure say ni obedi na e die embo na eboa ma memfa another so mbra this time around. And yet, media, we need to specialize. Until you need not to just be say, I'm coming to be you can be a medical doctor and be a journalist. You have your work, doing your work as a medical doctor, and you have a side job as a journalist, and you are doing it. You can be lawyer and you will be a journalist, and you even do it well. Samson, and there were many before Samson. I want me juma no that on the sideline o we are journalism we are court ko jini sika wa ko ne yanti and ye wo no ni sa time no for wo politician na wo sole na wo 200 300 na ni be ye na be influencing. That is where we are getting to, and we should not just look at it say our institution, our profession is open into secondary school now. Also, do hire and fekeke. So it's even the passion in Bibi. Really, if you have the passion, me, I don't think that me small guy now may be okay. Say me cousin be neighbor. Oh, we in the secondary school. I'm saying sana wencha. And I say wencha ni ye. What's wencha bibiana? Also, a person or call him or call me or person yet say uncle or person must make them quite say when child go cast when child uncle media as kwa ye na or pe kwan ho saa na wo ye kwan ho 6 months na ade media people na we hefa or make sure say wa culture be na we yan was science you see meanwhile we yan na obekwa culture e be hantiwa for your life. So no, you should not allow that oboa mo man kwan bia oboa when China over so over some call your reset no science will be in here. I am percent. These are some of the things that they influence. But until for life. Me and winning natural. Go and be your doctor, go and be your lawyer, go and be your engineer. Even if journalists now come in as a professional journalist. IG, the Legon, UCC, communication, go and do it and be a better journalist. Don't just go be a kwan be black or sana. Mo Afiba waha. A very good. What is I'm training? Mo kwa mo to amko. But then mo jambo. What it? Yeah, it's a professional from the university to the communication school, and you can attest to. Even though it's just a year or so, no, or so, but look at it. That is when on the Pakuno obtain as a professional, as educated, as a and JHS where you are one could be an American group about the difference. But on your how productive and the how do I put me in Husania? Bohoneson for so ye with human efficiency. The efficiency is what trying to maintain it, and we don't allow. That is what people are. People are I'm an ejuma and to do on man only on to nko nimo be bia e bia na suspend or the win until there is no better opportunity bia wom obi ho no ma oye na de fofo upon her or san koye ni medical bi upon her or woni civil ejuma bi okoye e passion until that is what we need to going forward yana ye wom dada na de ye wom whatever way we will find a way to train you, to find you. But one hour, we should encourage people to if you have the passion and you want to do this job, do it because it's a baby. One share or be a survivor. You can still be whoever you want to be and become a journalist. And if you just want to just go straight, the university is there. Go to Cape Coast University, where communication, where journalism, or Collegon, where university, most Unimac, that's GIG, winning university, woman now, woman, family. Men yes be na ko school na when ya subject binti now the babon wa ba gumbe so aba create a whole lot of problem in our centers and professionals na by one wom dada na de wo ya said say na ye kan won ba ho na ye bebo o man nyama ekoye
na mpunto ya de bia ho hia o man bia ne senti na o man bia e prepare Ekwan bia so no mpuntuo ebeba ne mamu ama omanfo nyina nso eho atọwo mu ne senti na abra na nanom atena nkonwa ewo ho abomode ayi mpuntu hene ananso se yede na si ade so se obehwe se mpuntu a ekoso ewo abra no ebekoso na di mu yie pa ama omanfo no so obia eho atono na emra omo ye adwumadie ni nyina wie de amambe ne amane egu akwan mu ede na esi ade so meche na kwabna okwawia ne odikan kra edi ni si ade so se mpuntu hene no ode nsem bi eto omanfo anim yankone TV.
Yadayamia sede ile de waba na wonya gizi wo mu de motuma aba na mabosum omeni abura yebede ofa de tambofura yakadama yebesha sefi sanitation yen ejanan yen gates na zinyina no odo ni nyina no yeyebiye otodo bio yengwa na oda hono Fata abura yepede abura onye gobia otide oba otukwaba market eti from inna kopni hie nu obi enyim me na nanom ne ebihie nyina yebeke yitrago na yeze yubozin ashishado one after the other Afiba celebration our bar fashion ode ebo bibiano asana kiza fashion asana yebesha asem ode ya shasi fibe bia yen esunsun wo eti menye interview ohun na na ni interview na me won kai de bibia obesa esi osunsun asana wade ziwo namdo eti yamba enja na yefo shibani yanye no zimu na nne course mi ebe yehwe keposi nnukwa di na fefe we ko jeli wa number 1 we shibana ya to the house iya eti ya bo shimunu we wa je papa we su shushu shebiara we beshren na abura wa kodeyi omede yewo issues we court in Sembwe asembia odi esiesi na igwe okodeyi yabere ni na noso wa kodeyi enyi me hono odi esewe ni na pavement house iyo na ya private iyo o so we si akumado ade te da meye yamlet ya yezu nkomo fa yam park ode ho ya can send the brain it's on change biara wo sra bo ball wo ho million dama men ka se the brain meda improve we share nyina ase na mzibi shamba mo kafo onye bia na ezido mi eyi tuenyu na obere eti madam ye Mrs. Irene Boatem ase do ogbo mechi do na etu yeyi ofiwa madam ma sha ase eti bade wo yina ase.
Jumadi Nasino Oman Church for Mr. Community Secretary Ora ABDULLAH Said na no so ekopie asebi na odin sembi so eto oman for nim yenkotie bi.
Ejuma wa yin hey sinabie yebubo ejui ana yebubo edini na yetu ejuma Abraham abaraka ko efra ebiti ayawe ana yeba yaide ejuma ya yebuto hinwa yedo hey ina yeba papotam na yetu ejuma ma abra ina bidara yewum.
Na sampempa me no kase na se won hye da nim na nakwabna okwawia ne odi kan yede na si empontu hene ewo abro won hye da nim ne ho asema ene na twemba me san se school prefects a oda Danicom International School ano atwotwo ne ho nsem akenkan a chawmanfo ama obi anso activity yanso yentie bi.
I am Janice Efwa Asamoah, the school prefect of Danicom International School. Irene Boatem, and they have 4 children together. He holds numerous patents, including BC Great Hotel, Danicom International Hostels, and Danicom International Schools, an institution which has nurtured talents, grown professions, and tutors who serve on various capacities in our beloved country. Dr. Boatem is also involved in various leadership roles and has strong focus on education and community development. His passion and desire for human progress and leadership excellence has won him prestigious award 2024. His tremendous and outstanding contribution to society have set a benchmark for efficiency and effectiveness, making him a true embodiment of distinction and achievement. As today bestows on you this great honor, we wish you the best of luck, and may the mercies of the Almighty be abundant in all your endeavors. Noble Dr. Daniel Kusi Boatem, Yemao Ayuko.
Abusia morning mix kasebo na uguso a wo ohwe no ewo Coastal TV digital channel no so 514 ni Facebook ene YouTube nyina momodian se won sesan fidie na bema ada Coastal TV haya na se yetwa kasebo no eso a eno ada mahwe bedwom ekọ asetena na asetena mu no na opanyi pa oda edom kese ano owura mahama ayarega odi edom kuma no ho yaw pa esane se enhyehyɛ ya abanya ye se eju kwada bia wo so bia bomoden na ohye fugu ne ebinum so efe no batakari no se na ebe ya ebebo ama yenuanom omo northern region business omo ye no atumpon na ama amanfofo so ehu ne mapa ne ne mafefa Ghana yenso ye wo ye mamu hase no ankoba ne sai san se edom kuma a wo mahye bedwam no anhye fugu no ama owura mahama yarega adi ya ye pa.
My concern is the fact that on this side of the house, I don't see anybody wearing a smoke. I see northern members of parliament. I see the MP for Tolo, who, if he had worn a smoke, would keep one citizen of Tolo employed, will keep the weavers employed, will keep the people making the smokes employed. As for Alasan, He's trying to play a game on us. He's not wearing a smoke, but he's wearing a hat. So he's keeping half employment for the North. Mr. Speaker, I think we need to take the wearing of smokes important, and also it creates employment opportunities for our citizens. It shows that we are proud of our culture. Honestly speaking, I came out not wearing a smoke. I had forgotten, and I'm sure for many people they have also forgotten. Fortunately, I have many in my office. It was Honorable Habib who drew my attention to the fact that today is Wednesday, and I'm supposed to be wearing a smoke. So quickly, I took out my coat, and then I took my smoke and wore it. But it's looking beautiful. I think I would probably look better today than if I had worn a suit. So let me thank Honorable Habib for being an advocate for wearing smokes. Unfortunately, he doesn't practice what he preaches. And that is the problem. Last week he raised this smoke issue and he wasn't wearing a smoke. Today he's raising the smoke issue and he's still not wearing a smoke. We'll report you to the yard now.
Na emrashe bedwom asetena no so ensem bebre ekọ so eno na opanyipa oda edom kuma no ano ora afenyo markings enso cheche mache aban say ye kan economy akonanim na economy agina yi a eye ne amanfo anasa Ghana for ebetimi ehu ne ombetimi acheche mu say ampa economy ne ekosoro esan say bibi ti say kanea ne ensuo ni nyina ne bwoko form fanwo ne ade nyina bwoko form eno ena be mo amanfo ehu say ampa economy no ekoyi ankasa ne mo manya no kasa ena nye nkrata asem ne mo ne Ghana for ankasa betimi edi ho adanse.
Even when you come to the recruitment, it's a complete scam. And I'll explain to you, the recruitment into police, immigration, prisons, you are now even telling the youth that they should go and buy phones. They should go behind computer and do aptitude tests. In this country, how many areas have internet? The youth are spending more. The youth who are already unemployed, they are borrowing to spend, to have access to computer. These are things that you have ignored. You've ignored. And you come and sit here and say, macro, nebedi. Macro, nebedi. Obedi, I will say macro. Macro, nebedi. Finance minister, what is that? Macroeconomic and accumulation. Finance minister. No, finance minister. I'm not interested in your macro numbers. I'm not interested. I'm interested in the bread and butter issues. Electricity. On paper, you have increased electricity tariffs by over 30%. Now, put the numbers on paper aside. Listen, for those of you who, because you are in government, you are ignoring the realities on the ground. Ghanaians cannot afford electricity. You should know this. These are the things we should introduce policies for reform. How to reform the energy sector. You are not doing that. You come here and say, Marco, I will not commend you for doing this. I'm not going to praise you. Electricity needs reforms. Those are the bona fides you must pay attention to. Then you come here, you say, and then 15 months, they say, Ghana accelerated national reserve accumulation. When you buy electricity, Mr. Speaker, this morning, somebody told me that she used to buy 1,000 for a whole month. Today, even if you buy 2,000 for 1 week and so on, Mr. Speaker, let us be careful.
Na sani obanfo ebeya omanfo ebenya apomuden na obia ho atono ewo mamu ntino Food and Drugs Authority FDA ede nkrata bi apieja na nkrata no nsema oka no eye bebre na mum ne edimu akotene no ene se ensaden a omanfo binom aya ebi kra ye energy drinks ayanum wo behwe na odensa no oden ene bibi te se caffeine na wakeka bom o se ye energy drink na omanfo ate aguso a omonum eno no omanfo binom a eye omo a eton nyina no emomodin se ombe ye efi adwaman so se ne ebe ya omanfo enkonko ha omanfo apomuden na osanso krata mi sanso ekiremu se empempi no se omanfo ennom sa ense ya enkanka emabunu na etimima adwunumu haw anaso se adwunmu yare sanse sa nyemanema no eye niema bi a emmoa obia na pomuden enunti no sesia me no kasei o krata apieja ni se omanfo a eye sa ensa no ene omanfo a eton ni nyina no obia mumade na onimfi adwaman so se ne ebe ya oman no bibi a yedi koyemu no bibi omanfo edi akoyemu no ebeye bibi a ebema apomuden aba na emom koye bibi a de yare eba o chem se enkopim match anaso se bosuma edi anim no awieye no obibia emomodin se sa ensane nyina omobeyi afri adwaman so na omanfo ante aguso annom na nkwankofa ohaw bia so amre obia sa nkrata yi o chem a se immediately bonika se immediately se mpempren ya fiti enne ekoya no bia momodin sasa ensan no obeyi afri adwaman so amanfo ebegina FDA krata so ana amane eboyi so na yede kase bono morning mix kase bono asi he ya ye twa ho no yakoje aboafo nkrata ye besan abasesia
Mido, Gana Biana. Ah, for you have a swing every time upon I say baby shit. Mangashi.
Junior! I'm saying so enough for maybe the no.
Sister Cospa, it's a winning gas.
I'm using the why. My wife.
Down Yankanawa.
Ah, Sister Cos. Use gas. Gas ye fast, ye easy, ye convenient. And wow.
Let me see your hand.
Welcome to Nesto Ventures. Hello, welcome to Nesto Ventures. Hello, people, welcome to Nesto Ventures. Hello, people, welcome to
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we will deliver. Coastal TV, Jumedi Fufayada by Yatunde in Puntu. It's about development. They discuss issues of national concern, issues of central concern, matters that concern Central Region and Ghana. In Puntu Sama offer Capus, baby will be in Puntu Sama offer. Or your one and Asadi, there or Sade or in Puntu, or the baby on the Yadin in Fubana over Nasi. We are no other man. Or your one and Asadi, those in Puntu Baba Capus. One and Asadi, those in Puntu Baba Central Region. One and Asadi, those in Puntu or Baba Ghana in Nara. In Puntu Sama offer Capus, baby will be in Puntu Sama offer. Or your one and Asadi, there or Sade or in Puntu, or the baby in the P. And a Batinasi, women down of Pediara. Live Ever Coastal TV. Coastal TV, your own face, your own voice. No me yesi machara. Yesi macharo. Mewe. Viti taenya fawudi. Yesi mi atu mi yendu baby.
Yasra ma wa ka bebiem achira Afiba and better no yonte better no coin no we turn the coin we change the system. So you are going to pay for all my lunch na breakfast na me say can that be lunch you are your supper acham you ko fio.
Say what man can do later. What man can do
go ano ne hu bia o she dem no ohwe ne ki yo hu failing to do to chere uki no abayo hwe anu hu uki na shedem ho so but skin so shedem na etum but yesterday no na ehu aya uki nti asama ho ande onye babe dachi so onye biri sa nti eboko hine enka atare de sempi nye na abogodo sempi je abogodo na mebutum ne be yes asisa na no ekasha ase oye daily graphic Ghana hina mampayin osi dema osa ase ne campaign chere nazima Ghana hano no osi reset oye agenda no oguda otum no oye adwuma nti infiri dwuma mchere companies owa Ghana hinara oguda otum no oye adwuma no boboa ma oye ankwankru dwuma dusu etum ne ewie pe nti oye China aban no mampayinfo obua nefi bia wotum di dwuma biara etum na abo na akoyim nti dame ankwanko dwumezi a oba factory oba grass factory wa takwado western region no o discovered no ahyem 250 million US dollars obabwa mo wotum akoyim nti ibabwa me mabu no pinjan na amampaye chema won sabaka adwuma na Ghana etum na afane tampe efra nti mebeka na hooray
o say the Daily Searchlight na no pay de twaso na ode minority chief whip Nemfoni Ababetu was saying now the facial expression I just say he can't think far or dream one say common funds distribution government acting lawlessly exclamation mark eka ho minority na eka say omo say common fund the we are aban efa so a oche no on famra kwan so na ode yes adwuma no kra mo dwen ho a omonti ase stop the long talk and bring jobs afenyo markings na say aban enjai kasa no na adwuma no enya kasa o grounds work nti onjai kasa bebrebe no na onfa adwuma emra Ghana for enye binye nenu ene beboaye Franklin Kujo Ghanaians boiling with anger over ECG prepaid meter extortion. ECG prepaid meter na new one no modi aba na come here say we see 1 minute a 50 billion man for antiase kra first no na nko man for say omoto prepaid na at least onya bonus kra san so de kan wo say onya bibi a beboa na masa ne light san kra na ento say onko top for san famra no onya bibi a be sustain no so new one a ye abedie oyi si light kakra bia na asa ne obeto bia enche kra na asa eno na omanfo binum na Ghana fo binum ebo efu pa ewo sa ade no ho Mfantiman MP distributes machines under the National Apprenticeship Program. Mfantiman MP ede animu ede machines ahodo de akomkoma omanfo a omoye National Apprenticeship Program no omo eje entity ewo mu se omo sonje na emwo omo wo training na say program na omo running ni na emmo Daily Searchlight asema odi abeni
ye ko ni da ko kijina the punch akọ local government say I mention there we otumunya oya makasamafo oya presiding member nti honorable Jesse Danso we yin fofo as a presiding member wo oya Efidia kwa Abiri South Mrs. oya municipal assembly no otumuna wa ati da papa oforukrom MC achesem de obihia DCC na ye kan ko butu obo a awada otumuna the new tricycles na ye oya Westby no obo mazna ifi otumuna wa doso na atumna bomba oya nsese sonko atumna akwam ti the punch the otumoro can also the punch yim na also stop the cocoa politics hey are na Ghana oya bibia da ya amayesam nti oya the 2025 national best cocoa farmer ana na oja dam kokoboy etumna oja ama oya mpeyfa with banu oya oman Ghana punch wara na oya Ghana appeal to Ukraine to release of citizens held as prisoners of war. Chesema aman oya Ghana atita so oya Ukraine man there mentwa secretary mo so Ghana fo binum akaya nkoa a woda oya efiaze no oya so for amenazedo honorable ablakwa atita so oya Ukraine aban don bombazi na fi ontumna onja da mun ko free hinara na mbra anu na ma oya eje etumne esi nti Ukraine aban ya pocho chuale bomazna fahim ko free brain na nazama ruhamani.
The Ghanaian Times and so ede ensembia babetuja enanope or say 24-hour economy receives further boost as President commissions KEDA Ghana's new production lines. Sani OMAR edin kan na say no Ghana yanka say betwa glass ewo OMAR mu ha say enkoye say yakwa akokrefi amafoforo so ne de abane mu yanka sa ye ba beye bi ewo ye man mu ha say enu ntina President John Dramani Mahama wa commission KEDA takrade and Western region say emboa na yentimi emfa 24-hour economy no enko new level kra abra yede sa glass production eba be sha say ewo Ghana ha say Parliament approves 9 9.8 billion Ghana cedis for Get Fund scholarship no. Say Masha bedroom atwaba ajatum say yemfa sikaboti ya 9.8 billion Ghana cedis na yemfa nkoshe Get Fund no emukena. Transit cargo irregularities. GRA interdict 5 officers. GRA answers of 5 officers, customs officers more. Say omode cargo bia eniema wom e dey free Ghana ha say yakwa amafofo so abra omom fa embakwan so ana hyehyɛ ya esefata san komo ye ansa na omode sa eniema ni na free Ghana ha say no omo endi so kra anka omo ya afa sum kwan bi so anasa kwoti kwan bi so e dey niema na kɔ abra omo ntua ho hwe na omo nya ho hyehyɛ papa yi bia. Repositioning tree crop as economic pillar gains momentum. Yenua planting trees in Ghana no. Say no. Yeba behye mu kinapa e wo Ghana ha say na ebe ya ebe boa ma Ghana yenso ye forest no ACP e wo Ghana ha say ye mpese ebedu mebi na akwakoju say yenye dua emfa nye bibi e wo Ghana ha say san say ye twa forest ni na agu abra yen dua yenso so ne yenko graphic showbiz or say tips to improve your make out sessions and enya asem kitwa kra nti no ye awarefo sessions e mo pese mutimi din kita ho ye eye in and out of bed ema emu ehye eye anije anase anije befia ema ware no emu ye da okọ graphic show beza ubenya bi akenkan na nso wahu ne ekoso ewo ho. Holy Jam in Ghana's first Christian nightclub dey yekoye na ehu ye na nka eja enewe ebere na koso wa akọ nightclub da no unim ne ekoso eniema achese yentimi enye wo asori eden mu na nso ne sese ne yedi bibi e friend Holy Jam minim jam e holy but Holy Jam e de aba esan say Christopher nso to pese yenso yenya e nightclub de sani ebe ya eju enwuma ye mebunu no entumi enko ada night clubs enko enima ensem fatentine aka ebe ye say di Holy Jam Christopher Night Club e de beba henti ano no ye kwa boile e wo Christopher Night Club ne ye wo ho e wo graphic showbiz anopay enso no yento aso na yenko the National Enquirer ye enquiry bi e wo front page no so majority of cocoa farmers accept new price. Dr. Randy Abe, CEO of Cocoa Board, and Orca say, I see majority of cocoa farmers accept new price in po fufra or mayeno. And as I say, about 12 fufra or maye a new price na buying a diabano hono say cocoa farmers do na and aje ebuo fufra aban de abano atum na che say how bia eni baby a obi aho atono everywhere good sana etie. Repositioning the WASI conversation from alarm to action. Minister for Education Haruna Ijusu ne mfoni ene da ha say na also repositioning the WASI conversation from alarm to action. Ina ebedi adanse say nanse mu ha say mofra kwatro BC omo etro WASI in social hodo organ ha say no eya na result a ebetodwa no enye bibia e hye nkran kra we be say enso nyankopon ni emwa nyame adwuma kra esansa wo be hwe no na emofrei failure no mo feli na nisa no hu se won kasa teacher ni na enye na adwuma yio sa akwala no na kwa won sua de yio obi hu bebia question mark no ewo na emom no Minister for Education Haruna Ijusu echemu se ebeye pa se wasi no enkomobo no yebe to adwen na akoye ne e de action ebeba na emom enkonkoye ne e de ayemhihye ebeba bia. Indigenous values must anchor Ghana's digital leap. Chief of Staff na King say Ghana ye pese ye call digitalization sa face ni mu ye pese ye bia wo say ye ne ebebo omanfo no ama ene omanfo no values ebe koso pepepe sa na etie. Na President Mahama announces duty and tax-free incentives for factories under 24-hour economy so we factory we adwumakuo bi na we wa adwen say o de 24-hour economy no ebeye adwuma abra 1 pound da President Mahama say duty and tax free incentive bi wo ha ye de be ma sa adwumakuo no ama omo so omo ho ahare wo mo ewo omo adwuma yenimu Oyarefa Meda further petitions President Mahama IGP for independent probe awudi sembi akoso wo Oyarefa no na nipa ne ho aka adwuma na se nipa ne nkwa free ne nsa no ne papa de adesrede akwakoto President Mahama ene IGP anim se ebeya anka omunye independent probe omunye independent investigation omonhwehwe asem num yie se ne ebeya nipa bia ne ho bɔ mu wo sa asem mi anase akunkumakunkumi mu no ne ho ebeka adwam ama aban anase se emra ya odi abai o ma yento so
yeah konem the kikina 24 hours oya krata no za ababu the Ghana link secures ISO 27001 2022 certificate for ICUMX data center na chere Ghana sisi ana yetu ya today wa man oya ashan socrates bo is oya certificate abobo ama oya nkita ozi wo oya abefo dwumezi na abamazo na fie tum na tumpon akoyim ani tempa ifo tum da che nti hore Galamsey fight Forest Commission to deploy military 44 forest na otum woche na chere Ghana oil 44 oil forest otum aka no okwa akọbọ oil ho ban papa na efi etum na abua am efi be to ben etum ye na Galamsey all say oil ene japajuru no ya bo mazo na efi etum na ya bo misre ya etum ya bo ho ban ma oil ene kwa de anada ene nzema pia etum na ase no afane temperature nti iya abua manazema pi nyara utu from eguzo no oba mwazo na fi wetum na washa ne so na wetu hono sebu ekisibi fufuru ama Ghana oya hena haba no abamazo na fi etum na afane temple efra sky rock curtain gold price no chere finance minister no so to bi gina oya simpido me se bugo fi etum a chechirem de yaza oya gold no na price no oya bibia ho ne mo jane na do papa abuto no abwan IEAG demands explanation over the exclusion from presidential private jet nti akwana presidential private jet no obo mazo na fi wotum na wachache nsem letum na ache no ana sisi akata esu etum na da babo dugwa nti yama mazo na fi yentum na enkoto akata na bi na fi entum amboa ama yetum yehu za oretum orekodo Afiba
Oma say to us the chronicles and so and pay or say President Mahama government owns district assemblies 7.33 billion Ghana cedis, says minority. Ni na a common fund hun sensem ya another press as a omanpeni and as a abano and family kwan so enfan chesika no kwa ne sense no ama sikabotina aban ede anase eka dodo aban ede district assemblies no okay kan nyina boma sika be 7.33 billion Ghana cedis na eka aban ede my district assembly say odebe mo in the form of common fund no monso enye bi ede omujuma the chronicles and pay asema odi abeni
yeah na mazina na fund
odi kapa ne hu kadoso
yama mpani no ziko Ghana funa ezika ntama mpani no kote bia na
say yes kan ye de manu
Nti mo mpani no ntawo be scan gu nto yama mpani no
ye de ama aban
enyo
nti won hwe no fo nti
scan wa anka aban ho ntawo bo maza azuba right yakuruza the dispatch or newspaper so former President Akufo-Addo government employed about 12,000 into the public sector after losing the 2024 election. Minister of Labor also appeared down another Akufo-Addo nazema otumna amahu second oye ejuma arabele ejuma no 12,000 no otumna by either etumna ya shane so papa women in media must encounter spectrums or promote gender equality. The minister no so tuma babdogwa nti GBC oya oniaba akushika akwe ana na otum na ozo da mensami etum na atugwa nti yema mazene fi entum enkoto oye krata ne bi Dr. Clement Park defines the consumption of what's I want to you go mia no Oma mazene fi entum enhyan so kwa pa ne yapo mdene sam no odo otum no ogina yi nti yema mazene fi entum na yema hineti odo nya gawa na awi nya miawa awi wala yema mazene fi nti yim gawa bia
na oma me asemi minti asio say yaka say ema nkofo endi enwe okra nam ene kraman nam na edimu pa except fatasa wo say enisa because sa emwa mienu we emwa bia ene omutifia almost no betimi aka say ye nonfo ye yankumeba omo ye yankufo kan wo say obi so de ne pet obi ne pet yakoko obi pet ye fish nti ye ka say me eri kraman ne okra anka I was say ye ka say me eri fish me eri akoko me eri akoko me eri aponche because obi pet aponche
so you are defending it
omo no me living things.
So are you defending Dr. Clement Park that some can
and no pants one no me yemfa bi mu nkan ho yemfa emmo na ma me enwe no ebi mfa yemfa bi nkan ho yemfa akoko nkan ho yen na in fact yen na yenye vegetarians how saying how
so mo bi hoso no kwana oforo wodizi gaw de me be bo nenyo ye bibi amemaro oda akọ enama sa adin se yere ba de bo abejo ka doctor sa azin zo amo we gu be hu go because ibiri nka The daily guide in a government target 15 months import cover with good. Hey, Papa, ato no so otmo other ababedugwa. Minority slams government over new DACF guidelines into ọ̀rọ̀ mazina fi otum na osin cheche papa otum na oba na otum na oba na otum na otu anamar akwen papa eyi na otum na ohwehwe oye ohun. The property and polo classic set for March 7 the means so our krata nani nti yema mazina fi yentum na yankoto oye krata ne bi na fi yentum ho 5 GRA officers interdicted over cargo transit scam nti ina no akoto oye krata ne bia wonse betum na aka na efi etum na akwem efiba
yemfa daybreak so anopay o say PBC bust Atlas Commodities over unlawful use of facilities on your lawful use of facilities dana nka also mo fanto koko no mo de ye nema fofra ensem fatakra. National security soldiers cry over low alawa national security soldiers na omanu demia omo ka say alawa e demo omo no de enye ontimi kwa mfanto koko isakra ntina aban nhwe na ontumu mo ato enfoni so ada ha say government targets $20 billion ni nyina yen sense ma daybreak for diaba
police cover up in Oyelfa mega ejaluso the Oyelfa I host what to so you bishano dono ejaluso to say President Mahama na IGP Oma Mazinefi wontum na woma hwehwem ontum no onkwar papa na wo hu za otum no Ambassador Victor Smith atensem there yehwe oye Lagos in some of wena awda Oma Mazinefi wotum na otu ọha anamar na otum no okoyi papa na ehwem otum na ba nti ina oguda otum na okekeka oya honsam ka sawa oya afanko demolition exercise otum na record ho sisiara oda otum no sisi bebe so ni suta na zamba su tum na oya ofo hono no odo so papa nti ototo sra oya aban papa da omomozin oil palm Development Association of Ghana appealed to government over illegal vegetable oil. Nti akwana bi mutum foda wote ngwa yutum na yizi yutum de banono osida ototo saba na mama zina fiontum na ohwehwem nti oil palm Development Association of Ghana awona wotum na osra aban Afiba.
Yefa the archives and so minorities town hall cocoa politics ends in hunger as rented cocoa farmers left without food or water omuchema minority town hall cocoa meeting na omukokoye no ekuafo cocoa farmers omudo buy no omuye fake cocoa farmers just omo shada kwa high nkofo so omuye omo se cocoa farmers na anka omo mesuso jangu abanya pampamu nanso meeting mpo omuwie no na nkofo e ba ompo no menya aduane na nsuo mpo amfa amomo eno na the archive said they aba no pe na oma wonhwe dog and cat meat consumption is cultural heritage and birthright. They play. that obi the birthright why? Dog MEA global president. I think me share the name abbreviation what it means, but the way a dog shall say na say obeye go for mo ton dog nam no mo president enti no obani say eba no okra nam ne kramai nam dia yonkofo birth rights ehwa and the cultural heritage culture bi wo ho ana say ebusia me culture me kan say culture bi wo ho enam mo pepa ye okra nam ana say kramai nam oye den na okoka say memo mu enwe kramai nam ana okra nam ba ne sa na this omo ye vegetarians omo ye ntoso
the Sia anon nenyim no osi from a tuno say forest commission to set up 10 military protection camp in forest reserve watch rimpo omo mazo nto mika na nto no nko osana mbere kokra abana wutre mana moya nazema pinya butum na wa aboa na fi wotum na wasese hunso so na pewa na soje wo ho a otum na odine djuma abobo ma wo so akometu na fi etum na akọ Co Business Advocacy Association ADOM the entrepreneurship growth I na wo to ko business partners all hono to what to happen ho djuma djuma ta abobo ma ho djuma djuma etum na Finance Minister lay the value for money office bill before Parliament. Parliament atunu abewa papa nda wadan krate sembara adi safatan oba modern fi wetum na oda akwe enyim. Abbas Nuruddin emerges as possible contender for NDC National Communication Officer. Some everywhere you go, you go to me ehum. Since the before you hunezi I would want to share I constituency region na officer to make and this is when you are papa who would to know obobo
Yefa the Daily Post and so and so I said President Mahama cut sold for $250 million glass manufacturing factory in Shamma. Say you didn't church mimu yababe glass ewo omemu ha say Maslok Ghana Prison Service and Aboboya Company launched the Capital Behind Bars initiative. The Capital Behind Bars, the prison, the Okwa, say a correction center. And nkofo bebe nso ekọ prison ekọ kosuan sanu djuma bebre ba ne sa na so nipa ko opia bonten a eboa no mo no so enya bibi eye into the Capital Behind Bars initiative eye bibi a Maslog ne Ghana Prison Service ne and Aboboya company no omodi ababetu dwa se ne be ye beboa ama even eneduafo mpo no se omenya ntete se ne be ya so omupia omo ho enkwakire omo ho na ombenya bibi edi aye bibi what I say ombenya omonsa no adwuma bi na omode support omo ho no omo abusuafo
Yakurim jai kwiki jina wo oye the press reporter anona oye Jane MA Ghana Medical Association for director to Modano director general HSM ne kwani ya no awara ba mazana fi utum na global training sonko a wotum na wa ya ma oye hompanyifo am hodmezi bia etum na aboa dema oye fi bekan no oye grass factory man payin etum na ada akese akakobo fuma obabazi na fi wotum na wasi Ghana yi oye statement aba mazan aye bibi sonko kra ma oye oman India etum na abo na bad ba papa da ma so na oye NCC aba mazan ejidumedi sonko osi oye NCC whole social audit forum in North Delhi to depend on accountability. Akwanpa kwente pababa motu no gane na do no NCC abamaze ejide medwedi na efi etum na aboyi. Mahama swear in head of fire and immigration services. Onche biara na fire service upuli bi kwai na sisi amampe John Dramani Mama Essien Mpofofra Ababoshe Afiba.
Yet to us name for Business and Financial Times and to also absence of price stabilization fund leaves cocoa and gold exposed. The price now a bona engine for coin nene eco AH na eco be nene eco nifashion eco binkum no a bandisana ema cocoa any gold no and she share no and shadan koyi ase it exposes them bibisa activist lords government for reverting KIA and as Kotoka International Airport name to Accra International Airport. Activists be any aban eya dia pa no mabo aban abaso say say Kotoka International Airport no ombe se di na fi Kotoka e de akọ Accra International Airport na ebeboa Ghana pa. Business and Financial Times enema nsem bebre ekeka ho as unya krata ni bia na se ukọ omo online platform na obenya bi na wakenkan
krata our friend our women and leadership and also name Patricia ufana agrada wo be fio
agra
be fio
agra school be fio
agrada fiske be be sika evangelist ni na sisi arazi woni mi na o se ebendo wo yimi Bobo Mezona way Tuesday, March 2026. Now Agada already fee in time. So now all bridge also a handkerchief. Ode gunap mpa wode no kokot nti nina mame agra osan na chiraba no aba agra anara ba zin emre na nkabe na ba chire Samira Bawumia championing advocacy and engagement behind the scene tada Frankatu the MPP no kafo mame Samira Bawumia aba mazo ye dwumadzina da boa manukun etumna a janena do papa wo aya afi abaya kwakoto honorable abena osaya sorry no so achira aya banizi papa me etumna akeyim nti inara no otunwa godo mami yakroma oye nedmo UTV wo se wa aba ama oya trojuma no etumna akeyim papa wo kon power for that otumna odine dwenti krata yi ozi eno etuma aba enu ma de biara uda address udi nyan kwanchan ya police so na no hwe ka kwan so awa we huezin awu so edina wutumo yayin was over 60,000 women in Ghana engaged in commercial nkana ka wole ni abako ujira afa na afa ncha amampa bi ba na odi mafuna gina afa na afa amampa bi ba police figure ha gina ha na da menu anime jana no fonkote mostly and the fonkote no wutumo ye adwuma na emom was Ghana ha over 60,000. Yeah. Now this place. Oh my God. Wow. Wow, telephone profile. Hachiland City here. Afa baby I will be your back says pim.
Baby.
Yeah. And the one Mrs. Afi bi muso pola bag get sisa wan pebim. And the bag sisa o de san wa amaji na obi ehun fi me ho sa atoro. Also quick me go che na obere me kitwa na che to mo de ko. Nti amane bi sa bi ambo on tank kita bag nkete efe na ikita en na to kwa kakraba. Biara ka chiro wo so ekekun hu.
Oh my ya somehow just a man kwa 60,000.
Yeah.
Wow.
What is a small figure?
But yinna yinim say o man nemu ayeden kakra adwuma sam no enhyada enkoya kofo bebre nya adwuma nya na ade but me ni say sempo nya adwuma nya we ye adwuma papa we say oba bi ade ne hojimo we no risk no dos bebre o nipa won na ekofie no mpo no so ye organ harvester HIV so koku odo money rich unni
on kra adamo ye hu sikana na ohwehwe
me am gender no so sometimes am person because fear women yeah akukudro bi e ma wo no hu
there's only that us at 8:30 p.m. if your office are close to 9 o'clock amoko fi mo hwe nkete se at least nche sabi or to bibia to work out you better be the dress code wala the button and how to dress. Oh my God. Mokwa me bisa mo na mokwa yam kasa me say nti onye bibiare ye onene musa na bi no so invite to ma kwa ifo onene mi ya bi ha kwa ba and no opportunity to my bench. Ada we yanku bi na akwa ware na we invite to sir I would like to make a friend na akadi epun edwumedi twem hu no tina ho
hu so ogina ho
it's too much you don't know na muji buy 6,000 o you crow
6,000 ya some kitwa Oma yam fancy here na another segment na akoya
right is this his no nkoma ye baba in there ele sa ka yo operation pay kasepa wa fifi man to minute ogwa nkan oye Muslims oye the secret missionary of Abra and the Muslim or oye Abra oye Osofo Ahmed Wahin ababa na ina about nkomo yes Ramadan e ka Ramadan oye abadi saint pakotina ama Adam Ramadan Afiba usa oye Muslims utum na ofa na abakon so sanu za na boss nti sofo baba na oba baba cheche etum na akire hin nti yenda yin mbra na hin sanka oye na yenko hin
Mido, Ghana Biana. Oku fa jebidi wi aba besu en fita no pa e say baby shit. Manka shi.
Junior.
I'm saying so na for me be there no.
Sister Coach pa. Enti woni gas.
I'm using the why. My wife.
Down yanka na wa.
Sister Coach. Use gas. Gas ye fast, ye easy, ye convenient.
LPG, let me see your hand. Ooh, I got it.
Sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
Welcome to Nesto Ventures. Hello, welcome to Nesto Ventures. Hello, people, welcome to Nesto Ventures. Hello, people, welcome to
Coastal TV, Jumedi Fufaya by to Ubuntu. It's about development. They discuss issues of national concern, issues of central concern, matters that concern central region and Ghana. Ubuntu Sama offer capos, baby will be Ubuntu Sama offer. Or your one and answered there or said or the Ubuntu, or the baby on the Yedin Fubana over Transi. We are no other man. Or your one and answered the Jordan Puntu Baba capos. One and answered the Jordan Puntu Baba Central Region. One and answered the Jordan Puntu on Baba Gani Minara. Ubuntu Sama offer capos, baby will be Ubuntu Sama offer. or your honor study, there or Saturday or the Puntu.